It's time. It's time to open up the box. The box of doom. The box of doom. Here it is. It's time to open it up. What cards will we get? Everyone focus up. If I get a signed crisp card, I'm done. One box to rule them all. No Karsa cards, no crisp cards. Now, I think the box has 2 guaranteed signed cards. And the last time they did this, the 2 signed cards, like rookies and the shies, were worth like thousands of dollars. I can't open it. I don't know how to open it. Yo! Oh, does it go like this? Huh. Who packed this? So bad. Huh. How do I... Oh! What the fuck? I broke it. No, I didn't break it. Oh, their heads stand up. Look at that. I didn't realize. Their heads stand up. Oh my god, look at these packs. We got packs on packs. Damn! That box is worth $800? Wait, really? This box is worth 800 bucks? Holy fuck. Okay. Okay, it's time to open. It's time to start opening. I don't know how to fix the camera. I'm just gonna open it like this. Well, these packs are stacked. I'm gonna have to fix the focus so it's here, okay? Pack number 1. What do we got? Pack number 1. What do we got? I can't open it. I'm shaking. My hands are shaking a bit. I had too much caffeine and I woke up too early. I'm bending them. No, don't bend them. Don't bend them. We got... We got... That guy? Lamau! Hung! XQW! Angel! Southwind! Now we get to the big cards. Doggo! JDG missing? Upforge! And... Kanavi! And... Huang Feng! Oh, we got one more big card. LNG Hung Shiny! LNG Hung Shiny. What is this? Highlight? What the fuck is that? Ultra Prime? Shiny? Yow! Aki? Shiny? And... We got Baker, rare. We got Uakai, rare. Ooh, we got Bin, rare. We got Yo-Yo, rare. And what is that? What does it say? Rare Atom? Bro. We got Hong, shiny. Knight. And Zika. Kinda shiny, but not super shiny. Okay. Next pack. I need the shy shiny. I need the shy shiny. I need the shy shiny. Sword Art, basic. Ruler, basic. Monkey, basic. Kanavi, basic. Hoya, basic. Xiaoshu, basic. Angel, rare. Baker, rare. Elk, rare. 369, rare. Doggo, rare. Lamau, shiny! Yow! Oh! What is that? Baolan LPL passport? Bro, what do you mean Baolan LPL passport? What is that trash? Invincible, rare. Oh! Cream shiny! Bro, come on! Come on! Next. What do we got? Jun Liu, basic. Tarzan, basic. Decade, basic. Poor, basic. I don't know who that is. Basic. Qingtian, basic. Invincible, rare. Cream, rare. Baolan, rare. Ruler, semi-rare. And Huang Feng, and who the... Yo! Who is that? Moonian! It's an OMG sub! Who the... And... Aki! Bro, is this Dom's pack? What's going on? And... Xiao Shu again! Yeah! Bro, I don't want Dom's pack. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. What do we got? Asum, basic. Gala, basic. Duo, basic. Southwind, basic. Angel, basic. Zhao Shu, basic. And... Bro, what is it with these OMG cards? Can you piss off, man? Cream. LZQ. Meteor. And... Qingtian. And... Yo, how many times have I pulled Xiao Shu? Big one, now. Who is that? Who is that? Anyone's legend. Yo! And... Who is it? BLG Baye, bro? And missing. Huh? Bro. Where is the shy? Where's the shy? I haven't had one Weibo player yet. Not one. Kanavi. Basic. Xingtian. Basic. Angel. Basic. Baolan. Basic. Poor. Again. Junjia. Basic. Tang Yuan. Missing. Bro, where's my good cards at? Missing. And. Wei. And. Baolan. And. Meiko. Not bad. Big one now. R.A. Strive. And. Tess Wayward. Bro. I don't want Squidward. And. Jun. And. Meteor. Bro. Where are my good cards at? Did they not put Weibo in here? Photic. Beishuan. Dream. LPC. Forge. Basic. And here we go. Here we go. Big pace now. Tian. ZS. Hi, Chow. Here it comes. EDG Ale. Here it comes. Big one. Are you ready? Now, here it comes. Who the fuck is that? And. Up ZS. Bro. And. Bunny. And. Xiao Huang. And. Aki. Bro, I'm done. Bro. I have 4 packs left. 4 packs. 4 packs left. 4 packs left. 4 packs left. Does Weibo exist? Zhao Shu. Jerry. Junjia. Zhao Zhu. Mole. XLB. EDG Uzi. Rare. This is the one. 1XN. And. Pout. And. Zika. And. LP. And. Yo-Yo. Okay. And the big one? Aki. Bro, how many times am I gonna get OMG players? Fuck off. And. Missing. Final. Fairness. That's it. I didn't get a single Weibo card. Not even a basic one. I got every single team. Every single player, almost. I didn't get a Weibo card. Not even crisp. No IG either. Not even a wait, not even crisp. Not even crisp. What do I do with all these cards? Do I just throw them away? I got Abel and Cream 6 times. I got Aki 10 times. I got Uzi. I got Mako. Tarzan. Zika. I didn't get Scout. No Rookie. I did get Rookie. No Gala. No Knight. I did get Knight. I got Ruler too. No bitches. Now there's cards everywhere. Not only did my desk have cups everywhere, now it's got cards everywhere. And they're all trash. Not a single Weibo card. They're all trash. I don't want any of them. I'll put them all in the bin. I'll put them all in the bin. I didn't even get bin. How sad is that? That's crazy. That's crazy. I'll give them to Dom. Dom can have them. I got bin. Did I get bin as a basic? I'll give them to Dom. Dom, do you want them? Do you want 15 Abels, 16 Creams, and a PP God? Would that make you happy? Where's the trash? Of course, PP God fell on the floor. Of course. I just looked it up. The only teams in the set are BLG, JDG, LNG, OMG, RNG, TT, EDG, LG. Link it. Link it. Link the link. Link the link. Link it. Link where you found that information. He said... Bro. This is the wrong box. This is the wrong box. Yeah, that's the right box. Wait, there's no Weibo? There is Weibo. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Look at this guy! Launch the Mario game! Bro, shut up! And we got Mako's passport. That's the best card we got. That's the best card we got. Mako's passport. But what for? He's washed. He's washed. The blue box is only available in China. It's not available anywhere else. Whereas the red box is. What is that about? What is that about? The blue box is here. I can buy it for 249 of those things. Yen? Chinese yen? Ah, don't leak something! Please don't leak my IP or something. Please, 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 please. Yo, should we go to China? And buy some boxes, live stream? Look, 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 look. There, you see him? THESHY, 3 times. And then again, THESHY. Or is that Crisp? Ah, Crisp. Look, 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 look. 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 It's inside the blue box. So cheap? Yeah, but that's just for 1 pack. It's not for the box. That's for 1 pack. That's not for the box. That 20 packs is 700 bucks. Yo, Kitty lives in Australia, bro. She lives in Australia. What do we do? My guy... I'm sad. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, we tried. Stop saying launch the Mario game. Let's all listen to this song while we reminisce and remember that you got fucked by an A. And I got fucked by red cards instead of blue. Here it comes, ready? Who the fuck is you? Who the fuck is you? Yo, Schwimpiazde. Schwimpiazde. Can I trust you? Can I trust you? Are you the hero? Are you the hero? Are you the hero? Say something. Say something. Say something. Where you at? No, it didn't. Okay. It's so cute, no? He's so cute. Look at his jumper. His jumper is just cool. Look at the jumper. That's just cool. What brand is that? What brand is that jumper? You don't know what brand that is? What brand is it? What brand is it? $7S. Yeah, no shit. I can read too, you fuck. Check Noah's reply to your tweet. Are you going to give up our league? Please support us. Yeah, of course I am. What the fuck do you think I'm gonna do? Bro! Yes! Fuck are you on about? Yes! Bro! Don't even test me. Don't even test me. What is that? Notice me, please. I'll get you a box too. I noticed you. I'm coming there on Monday from China. I can bring you a box. Ah, I think you're lying. Look at you. You're writing fucking McMuffin copium in chat. True. Shut up. Check Oscar in it. Why are you guys commenting? There's a tweet. Where's the Mario pace? It's coming. The pace is coming. Holy fuck, this song is insane. My eyeballs. Oh my god. We're gonna win tomorrow. What did that guy say? The question was, will you give up? You said yes. Yeah? Will you give up on our league? Yes. I will give up on our league. What do you mean? Where's the confusion here? Where's the confusion? Do you still have faith that I didn't betray EU? Do you still have faith? La 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 la. What is this? NA fans after today's draw?
Why are you so quiet? I can't hear you, EU! EU!
Shut up! Shut up! La 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 la. Dee, 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 dee. Do you guys hate me in EU? Do you hate me? Do you actually hate me? You can't let me just live in my own delusion? Why can't you just call me a special little muffin and let me enjoy Weibo while also being part of EU? Okay? Why can't that happen? Why can't I just be a special little sausage? Ding. Din 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 din. We call you little pork chop? Oh really? Do you call me little pork chop? What did that guy just say? Lil special muffin, you on the list to be banned, little bro. Listen. Yo. Twitch tab. Hold up. Twitch tab. Listen. Why has Fnatic tagged me in a reel already? Wait. You can do reels on Twitter? Wait, you can do reels on Twitter? Who can... Huh? What? Who came up with that idea? Where's the reel? The schedule for tomorrow is ready? Only on mobile. Katie Damon Fnatic Weibo G2 BLG.